Hello South Africa. 4 people perish in VW Polo and BMW collision, N17. 4 people perished on Monday, June 5, after a VW Polo and BMW sedan were involved in a horrific head-on collision. According to the Ekurhuleni Metro Police Department, EMPD, the accident happened before 7 p.m. on the N17. The EMPD and DEMS on Monday, June 5, 2023 at about 18:50, attended an accident scene which claimed the lives of 4 people, following a head-on collision between 2 motor vehicles, on N17 East by Tonk Meter off-ramp. A VW Polo, which had 3 female occupants, collided with a BMW sedan, driven by an unknown male. Jaws of life were used to extract the occupants from the entrapment, EMPD further reported. The cause of the accident is still being investigated by law enforcement officials. The use of intoxicating substances is not excluded from the investigations, said EMPD. Meanwhile, occupants traveling in a VW Polo Vivo also lost their lives after the vehicle crashed into a truck on Tuesday, May 30. The Eastern Cape Department of Transport reported that all 4 occupants, adult males, of the VW Vivo died when their vehicle collided with a truck on the N2 road, some 12 kilometers to Cape Bridge from East London in Eastern Cape. We pay cash for videos. WhatsApp 060 011 021 1. This is Leah for the South African. Please subscribe for more news updates.